Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to create slice command in AutoCAD 3D. Basically, slice command generally used for cut the two different pieces like slice. When first of all make the any solid body, then I want get cut the particular part, so then we will use to slice command. So let's go. Here we can see the design. First of all, look at this 3D modeling work. We have a directly 3D modeling work. Then I will go to create the rectangle. First of all, I have make this rectangle, then start D enter. When I get the D, enter. So first of all D enter, then provide the distance 600, then also get provide the 600. So it is make the simple rectangle right now. Then I will go to extrude right here. This is extrude, and select this rectangle and enter, press enter. Then how much distance we will provide the extruded command. So when I get 800, it's like make a solid body. Then I want apply the particular slice command. So here you can see this slice command divide two particular component. When enter the slice command and click the body, then enter, then you will decide which area you can get the slice, then enter. Then after I will go to select this particular component, select, and after go to move component, we will select this body and right, we will go to select move here some distance in slice command. Then also I will here you can see that this one is move command, and select this area and go to move command. So this is very easy and useful for slice command. Again I will show you this one. Has select this slice command. When apply the slice here, select this body and enter, then apply the slice command and also click this point and enter. So this one is divide for slice command, because I will tell about this component. So when again I will go to move here, this is move command, and select this body, also enter and go to move right now. Anywhere I have go to move. So this one is very useful for slice command. Again I will show you next. First I will create the cylinder here. This one is cylinder, and I will go to create the cylinder right now, then extrude some distance. Now right, I will go to slice command, apply the slice command basically. So here enter the slice command and select the body, and again enter. When I click this any particular point, this one is going to also point, and this one is going to also point. Anywhere I get select, enter. Look at this body is also here, and this body is also here. So that means very easy to slice in any body, any component. I have get another body. I have go to select in the slice command. When used to here this one, and also apply the slice command, enter. When I get click the point, also this one, and again also click this one and enter. If I go to select this one as body has been move command, we will apply the move command and also go to here different. So it was very useful for slice command in AutoCAD 3D design. You have make anything in our body, you have properly cut in a size. Just like I have go to cone size, we have make the another circle. So when I get cone here, then also I will extrude some distance. Okay, so this one is cone. Then also go to slice command, apply the slice command and click the body, then enter. Here the line joint, when I get the end joint and also get another end point. Then here look at this one is body has been go to slice here, easy way of slice in component. So it means the slice command is properly utilized for any body to cut pieces on particular selection. Just like when I apply, go to slice command here, this one is slice command. When enter this slice command and also apply this body, then just click the body, then again press the enter. Just press the enter, then apply here asking the particular point. When I get this point and also get this point. Okay, so this one is also. Then after I have go to enter right now. So when it is different pieces on slice command, when I click this body and go to move command and click the particular area, is like that. So you can do whatever in your requirement is also depend how many and which place you can go and slice to particular. This one is also going to slice here. When I get the slice command, click the body here and go to slice command and apply, then also go to enter. Then first of all when I click this here, and otherwise here you can see that the point and also go to here, then enter. Look at this one is also slice here. So it means you want to whatever face you can get the select. It is cut piece of different types, and only one component is different slice in our body for properly divide in individual component. So the background, so this is used for very importance in AutoCAD 3D modeling, and useful command when the time of cut the body in particular area does not required in our project. Then after I will use for slice command. So today has completed the session, and thank you. Do like and subscribe.